We all know that a fisheye lens warps the picture. We all know that fisheye lenses are expensive. We all know that skateboarding and ski videos love the fisheye lens. But there are three things that you would never know about a fisheye lens unless you use them on a daily basis. The first thing that I did not know about a fisheye lens until I used it on a regular basis is that it puts a blue dot in the middle of your picture when shooting into the sun. Not only that, it also creates rainbow light fractions all over the picture. It has something to do with the curvature of the lens and light infraction. I removed the blue dot with editing software. Most of the time, I remove the rainbows from the picture as well. It depends if it looks good or not in the photo. But it is one of those things that I never knew about a fisheye lens. The second thing has to do with starbursts. It doesn't matter if it's a daytime or a nighttime shot, the fisheye puts a 6-sided starburst on every source of light. Normally, you only get this effect on night shots with a regular lens, but the fisheye does it all the time, on every source of light. I kind of like the look. It almost makes the picture look sci-fi. That is the second thing that I never knew about the fisheye. The third thing is also very interesting. The fisheye lets you take pictures so incredibly close to objects. The lens I have is an 8mm lens. You can shoot 1 inch away from an object and still get everything in focus in the photo. That is a very cool feature. The interesting thing is that even though an object is only 1 inch away from the lens when you take the photo, when you see the photo, it looks like the object is about a foot away from the lens. I'm not complaining about this feature. In fact, I love it. I use it to its fullest potential. Once you know the fisheye lens is capable of doing this, you can make the foreground in your photos come alive with so much detail it's crazy. It is amazing. These are 3 things that you would never know about a fisheye lens unless you used one on a daily basis.